makes you beautiful.
Good day, this is your friend. I'm here to introduce to you the product that is effective and affordable. But before that, do you have a problem when we talk about hair? Let's watch and witness the miracle of hair polish. These are the steps on how to apply the hair polish. First, place a small amount in your palm. And rub it thoroughly, because whenever you massage aid in your hair, it will be balanced. And reapply it if needed. And for the best result, use this daily.
That's what makes you beautiful.
This product is really effective. It will make your hair smooth and shiny. You can apply this wherever you want. It has nutritious ingredients that protect your hair and scalp.